Hello students, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Vijeta online CPT classes. Today our chapter integration or indefinite integration. First of all discuss about definition. What is integration? Here integration is the reverse process of differentiation, or integration is the inverse process of differentiation. Here f of x differentiate g of x. Again integrate this one f of x. Suppose here sin x differentiate cos x. Again integrate this one sin x. Tan x differentiates x square. Integration x square this one tan x. Log x differentiate 1 by x. 1 by x integrate here log x. So here d by dx of sin x differentiate what on here cos x. Integrate this one here sin x. So again getting here first function. This is f of x here. This is g of x. Suppose I am taking here. Again integrate this one here f of x. Okay. D by dx of tan x, that is equal to x square. Again integrate this one. What happened here? Tan x. So here d by dx of log x, that is equal to 1 by x. Again integration this one log x. Integration small f of x dx, that is equal to capital F of x plus c. Here this is integration symbol. Integration symbol small f of x integrated function, capital F of x after integrated function. Here constant c is a constant, that means your integration constant or constant of integration. Here x is a variable. Here discuss some basic formulas here. First one, this is most important formula. Integration x power n dx, that is equal to here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here integration 1 dx, that is equal to x plus c. So here 1 is equal to here x power 0. Something power 0 is equal to what on here? 1. So I am taking here 1 is equal to x power 0. That means here suppose here 1. So 1 is equal to what on here? X power 0 dx, that is equal, what happened here? What is the first formula here? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here n is equal to here 0. X power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus c. What happened here? X power 1 by 1 plus c. So finally here x plus c. So that means here integration 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Here integration e power x dx, that is equal to e power x plus c. Integration a power x dx, that is equal to a power x by log a plus c. Integration 1 by x dx, that is equal to log x plus c. Integration log x dx, that is equal x log x minus x plus c. Next formula here, integration sin x dx, that is equal to minus cos x plus c. Actually this is a trigonometric functions. Sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. So these are all trigonometric functions. First one sin x and second one cos x. So here integration cos x dx, that is equal to sin x plus c. Integration tan x dx, that is equal to log of sec x plus c. Integration cot x dx, that is equal to log of sin x plus c. Integration sec x dx, that is equal to log of sec x plus tan x plus c. integration cosec x cosec x dx, that is equal log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Our next formula here, integration sec square x dx, that is equal tan x plus c. Integration cosecant square x dx, that is equal minus cot x plus c. Here integration sec x tan x dx, that is equal sec x plus c. Integration cosec x into cot x dx, that is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Next formulas here, integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx, that is equal to sin inverse x. This is inverse trigonometric formulas here. I am taking here inverse trigonometric formulas. Again, suppose this one minus integration of 1 minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx, that is equal to cos inverse x plus c. Integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that is equal tan inverse x plus c. Here integration minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that is equal cot inverse x plus c. We discuss some properties here. First one, f of x comma g of x are two integrable functions, then integration f of x plus or minus g of x whole dx, that is equal integration f of x dx plus or minus integration g of x dx. Second one here, if f1 of x comma f2 of x comma dash dash fn of x integrable functions, then integration whole bracket here f1 of x plus f2 of x plus dash dash plus fn of x dx, that is equal here integration f1 of x dx plus integration f2 of x dx plus dash dash so and so integration fn of x dx. Next, integration of a constant. Here first one already we discussed, again integration 1 dx, that is equal to x plus c. Here 1 is equal to x power 0 or x power 0 is equal to 1. We know already something power 0 is equal to here 1. So here x power 0 is equal to 1. What is our problem here? Integration 1 dx, that is equal to here, substitute here, just 1 is equal to here 1 is equal to substitute here x power 0 dx. Here this one comparing here integration x power n dx, that is equal x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here n is equal what now here, x is equal to here x, n is equal to here 0. So here what is the formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 plus c, x power 1 by x plus c, that is equal x plus c. Second one, integration 2 dx, that is equal to 2 into integration 1 dx. So here 2 into, already we know that integration 1 dx is equal to what now here x, that means x plus, that means here x, suppose here 2 into x plus c, this is 2x plus c. Integration 5 dx, that is equal to 5x plus c. Integration a dx, that is equal to a into integration 1 dx. So here ax plus c. Suppose integration k dx, that is equal k into 1 dx. Here kx plus c. Addition and subtraction to a constant. First one 5 plus k, that implies integration 5 plus k dx. First separate this one, integration 5 dx plus integration k dx. So here 5x plus kx plus c. Next 5 minus k. Suppose this one that implies integration 5 minus k dx, that is equal to integration 5 dx minus k dx. This is 5 dx minus kx plus c. Why? Because here 5 into 1 dx, that is equal to here 5x. Here k into 1 dx, that is equal to kx. So this one finally here 5x minus kx plus c. Hi everyone. Problems. First one, evaluate integration x cube dx. First one, this one comparing with here integration x power n dx, that is equal to here x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here n is equal to what happened here? N is equal to here 3. So here n is equal to 3. What is actually formula here? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus c. So what happened here? 3 plus 1 how much here? 4. Again here also 3 plus 1 4, and x power 4 by 4 plus c. Understand this one? Once again, integration x cube dx. So this one comparing with here integration x power n. This is first formula. Okay, what is the first formula here? This one, integration x power n dx, that is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Students, try to understand. In this most of the problems based on the formulas. So first learn the formulas, try to understand what I am saying.